What to do if the Airbag Warning Light comes on? The Airbag Warning Light indicates a problem with the airbag system, regardless of its shape or color. This issue could prevent one or more airbags from deploying in a crash. To identify the exact cause, the error code from the car's computer needs to be retrieved. Although crash sensors are designed to last the lifetime of a vehicle, they can occasionally fail, triggering the warning light. For instance, a sensor might need replacement or resetting after a minor collision that didn't deploy the airbags. The sensor detected the impact, analyzed the data, and determined that deployment wasn't necessary. Electrical problems, such as a loose wire, can also trigger the warning light. Sometimes, the issue isn't directly related to the airbags. The seatbelt pretensioners, which tighten the seatbelts during an accident, are part of the SRS system and can also cause the warning light to come on if they fail. Pretensioners are crucial because, without them, you could be thrown forward into the steering wheel and the deploying airbag during a crash. Car manufacturers recommend that airbag-related repairs be handled by professionals. The airbag system is complex, vital for safety, and consists of hard-to-access parts, requiring special tools and expertise to diagnose and fix issues. Ignoring the airbag light or removing the bulb is not advisable. Drivers should take their vehicle to a dealer as soon as possible when the light comes on. The problem might be minor, but it could be life-threatening.